Level Up 2026. This place is crazy packed today. If you have not been, basically it's 3 days of gaming, anime, and nerd pop culture. I can't wait to show you around, so let's go. I'm not new to this expo, but I have to say this year is one of the biggest I've ever seen. Like, just look at the crowd. We can barely walk here. I think I'm just gonna start walking around and I can call out a few things that are interesting to me and maybe you guys will enjoy it as well. There are, I would say, I don't know, 4 or 5 key areas here. So just to give you an idea, downstairs with all the exhibitors, so we'll have a lot of merch to check out. There's also an autograph area for a lot of the anime voice actors and actresses. So if anybody that are into a particular anime and their particular characters are here, they are welcome to get signing or meet and greet. So that's certainly a great place to be for anime fans. In addition to this massive expo hall, there's also main event upstairs, my personal favorite, the Senpai Squad cars, as well as there is a wrestling ring here. I don't know why, but it's there. It's super cool. So let's take a walk and see what we can find. Let's go. We have all the autograph booth on the right side, and you can tell by the name of their banners. But at the same time, on the left side, you see all these nerd booths. So you can get merch, you can get figures. I have a place that I wanted to check out today is a fudge shop. They have some very unique goodies and treats, so hopefully we run into it. One of my all-time favorite coming to this convention is checking out cosplays, obviously. There are so many cosplayers here. We're gonna see if we can catch some of the cool ones on camera today. I love these fudge, they're so unique. Like, check it out. Can I try the spider fudge? This is really good. Really sweet though. So this is one of my favorite area in the expo, is the artist alley. So it has so many booths from independent artists that are featuring their work selling merch. So it's really amazing to see, you know, them being able to showcase their work here in an expo like this to fans and nerds alike like me. So we gotta rock around and see if we can find some cool art. These are super cool. They're like game inspired art. So one of the biggest draw at Level Up's Expo is the guest signing. Artists and anime voice actor and actresses from across the world, I think there are some folks here from Japan as well, are here to be meeting, greeting their fans and doing autographs. So I think behind me right now are the very famous K-pop Demon Hunter voice actresses. So that's why you're seeing so many people behind me. But along this entire wall is all the autograph booths. See how many lines? Like, I don't even know, probably at least 30 artists here today. So we got our boba from a local shop here in Las Vegas, and let's see, I got this Vietnamese coffee. See if they're any good. Wow, nice and strong. I'm gonna need that caffeine for the rest of the convention. There's so much more to check out, so let's go. I'm glad we found a little quiet spot here to figure out the rest of the gameplay because there's so much to check out. I'm looking at the map right now. So we did check out Artist Alley earlier, the autograph area. We looked through some of the exhibitors. We got boba tea and fudge. So I think what's left is on this floor that we haven't checked out is the free play arcade. I think there's indie game area that we can take a peek as well. But I think after that, we're ready to go upstairs where the main event or main stage is at, as well as one of my favorite, a lot of the Senpai Squad's cars are up there. So we're definitely going to check it out. So let's not waste any time. Let's go. So this is one of my favorite area at LVL UP EXPO, the free play arcade, where you can play so many free games. So let's go check out some of the games. Play this game long time ago. So the key is the red is the middle of the drum, the blue is the edge of the drum, and how big the circle is means how heavy you have to hit. And when there's a balloon like that, you have to keep hitting to make it blow up. Yeah, so we'll see. All right, let's go play a different game. Oh my God, there's so many interesting cosplay here. From like funny costume to like intricate like anime cosplay. It's just never a dull moment. So many fun things to see. Just walking around the floor. Okay, so we're at the upstairs of LVL UP EXPO. Here, that's where a lot of tournaments happen. I think behind me are the PC tournaments. So I think the console tournament is also up here. The key area for upstairs is the main stage area, and I think there's a wrestling ring somewhere. So let's find it. Other core area here is the main stage, which I believe today there were the K-pop Demon Hunter feature, which is probably one of the reasons why it's so crowded here. But let me see if I can find it. I believe it's just right down the hall here. I think there may be an event happening right now. So throughout the day, there are multiple events happening. So that's include cosplay contests, any guest speaker or session that they may have. This is all happening here, the dedicated area where folks can sit down and really enjoy the show. Look at this giant Pikachu. Oh my God. See that? Wait. Right below Pikachu are all the tabletop. Yes, there are tabletop tournaments behind me. So like I said, upstairs are PC tournament, tabletop tournament, and the console game tournament. So there are a dedicated area for folks to compete and play with like other people. So it's pretty cool. What a show. Oh my God. The energy here is amazing. I hope you guys enjoy walking the floor with me at Level Up Expo 2026. And truly, I think you have to come here and check it out for yourself. But that's it for now. I'm going to walk the hall a bit more, and I hope to see you guys in the next Level Up Expo. Bye.